Meron ho kaming task group na naibuo bago pa po yung banning bago pa maglabas ng direktiba, ng presidential directive to ban. So meron kaming dalawa na binubuong malalaking operasyon sa susunod na mga linggo. Malalaki po kasi ito kaya we're going through the necessary legal procedure para ho katulad ng mga nakaraan natin mga operations, talagang ma-neutralize po natin. Hindi lang basta operation na mabulabog natin, kundi we're able to get them, file charges, deport, and forfeit their properties. So a good number of them may be leaving the country even before the December 31 deadline. The real problem that we have at this point are the illegal pogos, the illegal ones. Sila naman talaga ang problema noon pa. No? So medyo marami pa pong nag-ooperate. May mga guerrilla operations po sila. So that's the one that's causing us the biggest headaches at this point. Kaya tuloy-tuloy pa po ang aming monitoring para makapag-file kami ng mga warrants to operate against them.